Good morning as we begin our 2018 Appalachian Trail hike. This is Snow Blazer here, and of course, Trail Snow!
Hi everybody! Welcome to Appalachian Trail Hike 2018, day number 1. Hashtag I gained weight last year. Pants are a little tighter. So this year we're kind of doing the same thing we've been doing, our little slack packs, and I need to put some bead on, sorry. So we got some nice accommodations this year in Burkes Garden, and when we get closer to the top and maybe we can get some views, we'll tell you some history about Burkes Garden. But it's a really beautiful area and good Amish food, so I would recommend if you come this way, check out some places to eat and or stay.
Maddie's Cinnamon Rolls. See you later.
Hey guys, Trail Snow again. So we're, I don't know, 10 minutes in maybe?
15.
But all along the way, we've been following this ridge line, and she's going to show you the edge of it. At one time, this wasn't the ridge line. It was part of a mountain that made a big dome. And with the limestone, it washed out underneath, and that dome collapsed. And that gave us Burkes Garden, which you can't really tell because we have full spring on, but through those trees is a circle valley, and it's encircled by this complete mountain range, which is the Burkes Garden Mountain, and in that bull valley is Burkes Garden itself, and it's the highest valley in the state of Virginia. And I've never heard, I'm sure it's happened in other places, but it's the first place I've ever heard of that a valley is actually encompassed around by one complete mountain instead of a range on each side. So I think it's very cool, very interesting, and we can tell you some stories about Burkes Garden later on. See you soon!
Hey, so as we're walking along, you hear this buzz. Can't quite locate the hive, but you can hear the bees being busy. So this has been really incredible. You could see as we're walking along all these beautiful mountain laurels, and they're just all over the trail here. Just amazing.
Remember, mountain laurel's poisonous, don't eat it.
Mountain laurel, as you hear, oh sorry, that's my timer. Mountain laurel is poisonous, as you heard. It's not something to be burnt in your fire because it will put off poisonous fumes. Nor should you eat anything with mountain laurel, but this is gorgeous. We hope you're enjoying. Talk to you later.
Hello, Trail Snow back here at the end of day 1. We did 8.8 miles, I think. Right at 8.8 miles. And this bridge here over the Laurel Creek is actually all made with no man-made materials. It's all logs, or underneath there's rocks that are stacked up. And if you see, there's some unique joints. Pretty cool. This was a project done by Virginia Tech, and it's an all-natural bridge. It's really awesome. As you can see, the beautiful water. We can walk on out. Waterfall out here, beautiful. End of the day. This was a great day hike. Just really one longer uphill, but it wasn't too bad. And if you do come down here and you want to cool your feet off in the water, that's awesome, but this water is not potable, so do not source it for yourself to drink. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi, Trail Snow here, and we're on our way back to where we're staying for the night, but we didn't get a chance to show you Burkes Garden, and so we're just kind of going to go over the features. So kind of like a souffle was a mountain here, and it fell and collapsed into itself. So it looks like a caldera almost, but it's not a volcano. So what we also have here are 3 different springs, and they say that it pumps out 3,900 gallons a minute. So because of that, we have this great water feature here, this waterfall. It looks like there's a tunnel down there underneath. It's kind of cool. But this water comes from the springs and kind of meanders down to here and becomes a river. And all that, those mountains back there, that's where we were hiking today, way in the back. And that's part of the whole round of the Garden Mountain. It's really fascinating. It's beautiful down here. And just even if you don't hike, this is a good road that goes around the whole caldera as well, or what I'm calling the caldera, and beautiful views. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. All right, back one more time. Try to get all this out before the rain comes in. So as you can see, we've went to the other side now, and those are still the mountains for Busch Garden Mountains. And
Burkes.
Down
Burkes.
Burkes Garden Mountain. And then there's the valley below. So how it got its name was James Burkes was a settler out in this area, and he helped do some surveys and expeditions for people. And some of the different legends, one is that because in this area there was abundant wildlife, so he always had abundant food, so it was his garden, so to speak, his Garden of Eden. The other legend is that he left some potato peels, and potatoes started growing, and when they were coming through, some other people, they found these potatoes, and then they were like, ah, this is Burke's garden. I kind of think the first is probably more likely, but you never know, and there's some other legends, but those were the two most popular at this time.